These are Ryobi's PD-550 and PD-650 impact drills. The main difference between the two being the power of the motors, with the 650 being more powerful. They are designed for light industrial and DIY application, both having geared chucks that hold bits from 1.5 to 13 millimeters. They feature a hammer function with an impact rate of 48,000 blows per minute, which is perfect for masonry work. The top speed of 3000 RPM can be preset via the thumb wheel or controlled by the pressure-sensitive trigger in forward or reverse. There is a switch to control direction and an easily accessible lock-on button to reduce user fatigue. The maximum drilling capacity for both are 25 millimeters in wood and 13 in steel and masonry. The drills weigh in at 2.2 kgs for the 550 and 2.25 kgs for the 650, both with a cord length of 2 meters. They come with an auxiliary handle, precise step stop, and a chuck key which is stored on the cord. Now both of these drills perform well, and which one you choose depends on the type, frequency, and duration of your project. These are just some of the drills available at Builders. For more product reviews, visit the Builders website or check out the Builders Fan YouTube channel.